how to create a URL redirect in Shopify in 2024. To show you this, I've opened my startup page here, and I'm just going to go to the left hand side to sales channels, and I'm going to click on online store. After I do this drop down will appear, and I follow it until I see navigation. I click on this, and once we're in the navigation page, we're going to go here to the top right side where it says view URL redirects. And after I click on that, it will take me to this page. From here I can click on create URL redirect, and now I can enter my old link in here and the new one in here. What that does is it will take your customers from this old link, which might be expired or something, and it will automatically redirect them to the new one. So I can type in something, for example, like nettech.com, and I want the customers to be taken to this new link, which is nettechnew.com, for example. And once you're done with that, you just click on Save Redirect, and it will save the changes for you. And that's how you create a URL redirect in Shopify in 2024. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.